My dear friends, good day to all of you. Good day to all of you. Good day to all of you. I'm sure that you are here to learn something which is going to make a vast difference to your life. I promise that this video makes vast difference to you and all your family members, and vast difference to all those who have concern for their families. Yes, yes. Today, this session is about holistic family financial solutions. Holistic family financial solutions. Our target is your family, the success of your family. Our mission is to empower you to see to it that all the goals of your family are realized. This is our mission. This is our commitment. Before we proceed further, let me introduce myself. I am Rama Subba Rao Sridhara, a postgraduate engineer from IIT Bombay. I passed out in the year 1981. Since then onwards, I worked in India, Qatar, Saudi Arabia, and UAE, mostly in the field of project management of engineering projects and chemical and petrochemical projects. You know, project management is a tough task, and we delivered on quite a few projects successfully across these 4 countries. Apart from that, I consider myself to be a very successful father. I have 2 children. Both of them studied in some of the best institutions of the world. This I could achieve with the active cooperation and support from my wife. My wife, Bharati Sridhara, worked as a lecturer of economics in colleges affiliated to Bombay University in Mumbai for the past 40 years. Both of us together, after achieving tremendous success in our families' children's education, in our families, in achieving the goals of our families, we have co-founded this prosperity path to ensure that this prosperity doesn't remain only with us, but should be passed on to 1 million families across the globe. 1 million Indian families residing in India, in UAE, in Dubai, Abu Dhabi, Qatar, Bahrain, Saudi Arabia, UAE, UK, USA, Australia, wherever Indian diaspora is there, we want this message to go. We are here with firm commitment that every family, and more particularly Indian family, should be able to realize their goals, their aspirations. We want their dreams to come true. It is our firm conviction that every one of you, each and every family, would be able to realize their financial goals. Whatever be your position, whatever be your qualification, whatever be your earning capacity, you will be able to realize your goals provided you follow this path assiduously worked for you, assiduously planned for you. Okay. See, first of all, let us start with the first step. As soon as you start your career, as soon as you become an earning member, you start your investment in a systematic way, preferably in mutual funds. Okay. See, many people confuse between savings and investment. those people who save money really are commendable. I really appreciate those who have the habit of saving money. But just saving money is not enough in this world, because savings kept in the banks would not be able to beat the inflation. 100 rupees today would not have the same purchasing power after 1 year. So, to beat the inflation, you should have an instrument called investment. That is, one of that is mutual funds. It is very easy to start your investment journey with as less as 100 rupees in a systematic way. But please don't start with 100 rupees. Your investment should be at least 20% of your earnings. From the moment you start your earning, you start investing in mutual funds in a systematic way, which is called SIP, Systematic Investment Plan. Okay. First of all, you plan for emergency fund. All of us are aware, days have changed, job losses are common, uncertainties are very common. So, to beat those emergencies, to beat those unforeseen circumstances, please keep an emergency fund for a period of 6 months of sustenance without any problem, irrespective of the situation in the entire world. First of all, ensure that you keep 6 months of money sufficient for the sustenance of yourself and your family. That is the emergency fund. You have to plan for emergency fund and set it up under any circumstances without any compromise. Next step is planning. First of all, make a list of goals your family should have. Some goals are indispensable, uncompromising. Number one, the first step you should have is children's education. Second goal is your retirement. Third goal is your dream house and a car. Though I listed them as 1, 2, 3, this may not be the priority. You can choose which is the most important based upon your own life. Okay. First of all, let me focus on children's education. Okay. See, every family aspires that their children get the best education and lead a very dignified life, and they want to provide the best life to their children. All of you might be aware that the education inflation is far, far higher than the retail inflation. See, in India, inflation has been hovering around 3 to 4%, maybe. This may be the case in all major economies. But you must know the education inflation is around 10%, far, far higher than the retail inflation. So, if you want to educate your children in good institution, good educational institution, you should plan from the day one onwards, maybe even before your children are born. Right? Number one. Set up your goal and invest for that goal from the day one onwards through systematic investment plan. Second thing is that every one of us are going to retire one day. Today, most of us do not have government jobs. Most of us are working in private sector. So, there is no guaranteed pension after retirement. Plan from the day one, set up a retirement fund in a systematic way from the day one onwards through SIP, Systematic Investment Plan. Okay. Today, you might be knowing, fortunately, our life expectancy has increased. The golden years are going to be more. We will live longer. That's a good news. But we should be